Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Akshay, and in today's session I'm going to be discussing about the topic delayed compliance. The term delayed compliance means when a vessel is exposed to large volume at the same time an increase in pressure occurs, but progressive delay in stretching of smooth muscles in the vessel causes the pressure to return towards its normal value over a period of minutes to hours. So, in this figure you can see this is an enclosed vessel. Okay, here both sides of the vessels are enclosed. Okay, so here suddenly we are injecting larger quantities of blood. Okay, so what happened? Pressure also got increased. So here you can see stretching of both sides of the vessel. This is due to increased pressure. So suddenly we stopped injecting larger quantities of fluid. So what happened? The tensions which are present at both sides of the vessel started reducing. So thereby the vessel started regaining its normal shape and structure. You can see the vessel regained its normal shape and size. So see this graph. In this graph, at 20-minute point of time, I injected large quantities of fluid in the vessel. So what happened? An increase in volume has occurred. This increase in volume contributed to increase in pressure. So the pressure which was 5 millimeter mercury raised to 12 millimeter mercury. When the pressure reached at 12 millimeter mercury, I stopped giving fluid. So what happened? This pressure started decreasing. After 20 minutes of time, that is at 40-minute point of time, this pressure decreased and reached at 9 millimeter mercury. So this downfall of the pressure over a period of time is known as the delayed compliance. You can see this curve, this decreased pressure curve over 20 minutes period of time. This is known as delayed compliance. So the volume of blood injected has caused immediate elastic distension of the vein, but then the smooth muscle fibers which are present in the vein started to creep at longer lengths. This has caused the tensions to become reduced. So this effect is a characteristic of all smooth muscle tissues, and this process is known as delayed compliance or stress relaxation of vessels. So that covers the topic delayed compliance. I hope you guys learned about this particular topic. Thank you so much guys. Love you all guys. See you guys in the next session.